Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can fix your error when you have error with backup on your iPhone after you update to iOS 14, so how you can fix it. So first thing you need to try is just to go to the settings, so just open the settings, and in the settings you just tap on your Apple ID, so just on the top of your iPhone, on top of your settings, just tap here. So after you will see different options like iCloud, so just choose here iCloud. So now you need to choose manage storage and just wait until it will load. So now you just choose change storage plan, and from here you choose variant option. You need to upgrade your iCloud storage. So this is the first thing you need to try, and another thing you can also try is just find here what type of information takes more of your memory on your iCloud, so you can also remove this info. So just open, for example, photos, choose variant, and here you will see after this variant disable and delete. So just tap here disable and delete, and it will free your memory. So this is the way how you can fix it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.